Alright, is everyone here? Hope everyone's here. I'm ready to go. Box number 1, box number 2. 2. Hey, Mr. Edge, if you happen to get any ads just because you're an on-sub, let me know. Alright? I'll post the VOD up anyway. You can catch it afterwards too. Chat, get your tinfoil hats out. Ladies and gentlemen, get your tinfoil hats out. Get your tinfoil hats out. Get them out, boys! Get your tinfoil hats, ladies and gentlemen. Tinky's gifted a sub. Mr. Edge, you are now a sub. You will now not get ads, brother. Alright, done. How much is each rip? We did 10 spots at 140. That's what we did. Boys, tinfoil hats telling me something. Give me a second. Alright, give me a sec. Tinfoil hat. The last number is 7. The last number is 7. The last number is 7 on both of these boxes. On the boxes we ripped yesterday, they were 8. Get your tinfoil hats. To run away. Now, chat, it could all mean nothing, but still. You know. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. Right. Put these to the side. So they're not in the way, you know. You guys can see them stacked up. You got your tinfoil hats on? Good. What was number the one without the auto? 8. I hate getting ads. Had Prime. Bogan, get Turbo. Alright, Tinky, thank you for the 2 gifted. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck. Let me get myself a little bit better in this angle here. There you go. Shift! Enjoy that. Welcome back, man. First box of the breaks. Alright, let's go. Nabry, Bruno Penendez, Sulemana, Burgess, Guay. We are going Kylian Mbappe! Hyper Prizm. Very nice. To get ourselves started, we're going to Kylian Mbappe. Hyper Prizm, that goes to Jaja. Great start, man. Little Hyper Prizm Mbappe right there. Love that. Kylian Mbappe. Love that. Good start. Jesus. Hey. Trying to run a break here. Okay, take him out and shut the door. Off you go. Off you go. Yeah, we've turned the bread on, the bread maker, and he shit himself. Can you shut that door then? Thank you. Okay. Alright, chat, sorry. Robert's kicking off. Alright. A little shit. Alright, a little Bruno Fernandes phenomenon. Foden, Doku, Højbjerg, and Neymar. Straight out. Well, first pack, chat. First pack, guys, pretty damn good. I'll be honest. Love that shit. Love that. 20. No, don't sweat. One of the first breakers, first time hit. Yeah, that's true. Oh, we got a colored situation. And I think we have an auto, guys. Yeah, guys, I think we got an auto here. Maybe. No auto. I thought we had an auto, but we do have a mojo. Alright. Gonda, Haydos, Flores, Dest, Xhaka, Torres, Jimenez. And we are going Gareth Bale. Numbered Mojo for Wales. Who sent up Wales? That was Devils. That's you, man. And we have a Silver Connections for England. Not numbered, but it is a silver. That Gareth Bale should be to... Yeah, 75. Nice. Oh, nice one there. 75. For Wales Devils. Enjoy that one, my friend. Like that. Good start. Good start, chat. Box is warm. I'll be honest, chat. The box is warm today. Looking good. Chat, looking good start. Silver Connections as well. We'll slap that in the corner. Hey, Fake, enjoyed that. Have a good night, alright, man? Pickford, Kyle, and Martinez in the base. Right, good start. Good start, man. Tinky, thank you for the gifted again, man. What a king. What a king. Looks like a hyper. Potentially. Potential. No, just a silver. Right. To Remy, Felix, Jae Sung Lee, Talby, Malky, Bruce, Calvo. I'm going Silva Dalsari, Al Dalsari, rookie, coming out of Saudi Arabia, and we have a Ghana logo. Sarmiento, Odana, and Raheem Sterling. Raheem the Dream. So we've got a nice little hyper prism from of Kylian Mbappe, which is a nice one. The Gareth Bale Mojo to 75 to get us started. We love that, chat. We love that. We got some red coming up as well. Nice. And well, an auto? Or maybe not an auto. Chat, we got something. Chat, we got something back there. Wow, we might save that one for the end. Either that or it's back to front, chat. There's something here. Nah, there's something here, chat. Oh, there's something. I think that's something. Chat, that could be a juicer. I think that's a juicer. Chat, that's a juicer. I think that's a juicer, boys. Oh, righto. I think that's a juicer. Chat, I'm gonna slap that one there. Chat, we'll come back to that little juicer potentially. A little sweat. A little sweat. I think there's something there, man. Hopefully a banger. Wow. Wow. Miguel Herrera, Varane, Sal, Gavi, Suarez, Messina, and we have the pink Prizm hobby exclusive Kimpembe rookie. That's a nice one for France. My God. Wow, that's a great start. That is a great start for France. It started very well. We have Ronaldo, Global Reach, Ugbo, Paredes, and Pasalak. Jaja make hello Northbound. Hello, my friend. Chat, that could be a juicer back. Ooh. Chat, that could be a juicer back there. That could be a juicer, ladies and gentlemen. Let me tell you that right now. Don't know for sure, obviously, but it could be fucking thick juice. A little bit of sauce. Do you want base? I mean, how much base do you want? Like, I have so much base from the break earlier. Like, you can have some base if you want, if there's something you want. Van Dijk, Jahan, Bak, Cancelo, Son, Navas, Mane, Torreira. We are going Vinny Jr. in the silver Prizm. Nice. Brazil looking good. Nice. Vinny Jr. Nice little one for Phil. Oh, Vinny June. That can go over there. I've got a scorer's club for Martinez. So France cleaning up right now, to be honest. Hazard, Plata, and Vinny Jr. What was it? You got a Vinny Jr. silver. Nice little silver prism. Not a hyper, it was a silver, but it was nice. Mendez, Kim, Skahiri, Danjuma, Freyla, Bennett, Koulibaly. It is Jahan Makash. Is that how you say it? Anyone know is that how you say it? For Iran. Chat, the more I think about what's in there, I'm like, fuck, that could be something special. Like, the more I think about, chat, the more I think about what's in that, I think it's special. Like, we haven't had, I don't think we've had one of these. It doesn't look like something we've had before. So, I don't know, man. It could be, it might not be good, but I don't know. I haven't seen one backwards like that. So, I don't know. Camavinga. The Angusi, Rabiot, and Estaquao. Imagine if it's not good, though. Chat, imagine if it's not good. Like, and I've just been talking it up. I hope it's good, man. It's back to front, so I don't know. There are signed autos. Yep, there are. We hit an Mbappe auto the other day, which was nice. Costa, Minamino, Sheeb, Adams, Akanji, Orzabayal, Weston McKennie in the Hyper Prism. You reckon it's a color wheel, Matt? I haven't pulled, like, I haven't seen a color wheel pulled, so I don't know the side of it. You know what I mean? Burgos, Otamendi, Richarlison, Walker, and David. Got a blue coming up. Corona, Saliba, Buxa, Vina, Bono, Ramsey. We got a blue coming out for, hey, for Portugal, Yao Cancelo. For Portugal, number to 299. A little Yao Cancelo. Who got Portugal today? Goat. Goat, that's yours, baby. The GOAT himself. Yeah, it's hard to tell, Matt, because I don't want to peek it too much. I want to keep it exciting. But hopefully it's really nice. I'm hoping for you guys, man, this is a juicer. Whatever's in there, man, like, hopefully it's a fucking sick one. Moving this shit to the side here. I want to move this out of the way. Good. Move these silver prisms out of the way for you guys. Connections of Money Mace and Phil Foden. Messi, Kova, and Castagna. Haven't packed any numbered Messis just yet, chat. Just yet. No numbered Messis just yet. Right. So we're probably almost through pack 1, box 1. Almost drunken, not yet. We got Red Mojo, I think, coming up. Should be to 99. Huang, Laudini, Vasquez, Alvetti, Torres, Arujo. Upside down. It is Ricardo Pepi for the United States of America to 99. That's a ripper for those United States fans out there. That's a big boy. No Pepe, no party at the World Cup, and it is a beautiful, beautiful card for the United States. They love the Pepe. Alright, they love the Pepe. Alright. Nice to 99, man. Jeez. He loves it. He loves it, chat. Can't get enough of it. He says, give me some more of that action. Nice. Vlahovic. Imagine Pepe not going to the World Cup, though. What the fuck? You got a Vlahovic, Anderson, Mount, Osario, and Quota Lucas Martinez. Hello, Cheech. How you doing? It might be there, little Pepe. Nah, I'd sell that. Get that overseas. On that hype, you know. Got a cracked dice coming up. Raum, Kameninski, Izatola, Lutza. Thank you, Cheech. James, Tadic, Garib, and we have a cracked eyes for Iran. Jahan Baksh. Is that how you say it? Swaney, we do it in the Discord, man. We rip them in the Discord. Right about now. The Fong Soul Brother. Check it out now. And a little Vinny Jr. Olsen. Tiemans. And Casado. Yo, Becca McKenna and John. Welcome on in. Thanks for the follows, gang. I appreciate it. Chat, we do have something lurking on that left-hand side. It's going to be very interesting to see what it is. I think this is a hot boxes, to be honest. Yeah, I think it's a hot boxes, but we'll see. Queta, Olsen, Tiemans, Casado, Asmun, Renato, Kim, to Jan Sommer for Switzerland in the silver. Hello, Becca. Enjoy those new emotes. Yo, Malky boy, welcome on in. How we doing today? Thank you for the follows. Scorers Club, Eden Hazard. Got a feeling this box is, chat, something else. Okafor, Pedri, and Harustic. The Funk Soul Brother, check it. Malky, I like that. That's good. I like that, Malky. I know nothing. Well, lurk away. The Angusi, Rabio, Esquateto, Sliti, Dumfries, Goretzka, Kyle Walker, Hyper Prizm for England. Monk, I'll be honest with you. Happy to take photos and you can list it on eBay, whatever the fuck you want to do. Fine by me. Whatever you want. Spain logo. Roman Saiz, Ampadu, Vlahovic, and Muwalad. Hyper Prizm, it's called. Called a Hyper Prizm. We got a purple coming up. Otamendi, Richarlison, Kyle Walker, Zielinski, Slaman, Gutierrez, Mojo purple. Chat, whose hair's that? Chat, can we have a hair check? It is for Switzerland, Nico Elvedi to 49. I tell you what, to 49. Thank you very much in the Purple Mojo. Thank you very much for Switzerland. Tell you what, I'm going to be real with you, chat. These are some low numbers. Chat, these are some low numbers. New era, Militao. Vargas, Rodri, and Diallo. Tinfoil hat is coming in so strong right now. So strong right now. Very strong. We've only had one auto, though. Oh, we haven't had an auto. I don't know if that's an auto. Like, I don't know what's in there. But it looks fucking wild. David, Messi, Kovacic, Castagna, Bednarek, Guros, Rafael Leao, and a silver Prizm of Estupinan. Silver Prizm. Don't be worried about embarrassing yourself. It's just, you know, it's just sports cards, you know, like it's only like the greatest sporting event in the world viewed by the most people in the world. That's okay though, that's alright. And a bit of ballsy stick on the Yes, he does. McKennie, Already, and Torres. Wowzers. What a start to this one, huh? Hello? Hang on, let me fix my base pile here, chat. I've made a disaster. You're doing well so far. You got your pink Kimpembe. You've got your Hyper Prizm Mbappe. You're doing well. Alright? You're doing well. I'm making a mess. Someone else is making a mess. Now that looks like an auto. Because that, oh, it's a redemption. Is that a redemption? That's a redemption, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, we'll come back to that one. That is a redemption. I see a redemption. Song. Mabry, Gakpo, Adeyemi, Rodri, Diallo, McKennie, Plata. We're going to be sweating this one out, boys. There is potential. Plata. Silva. Uruguay logo. Antoine Griezmann, Buchanan, and DePaul. Chat, there is, it's quite a... Chat, these boxes might be something else. What the fuck is that backwards? Chat, why is that backwards? Chat, why is that backwards? The fuck? Panini, man, what are you... Killing me here, what the fuck? Jesus. Poulsen, Gakpo, Adeyemi, Huang, Ladwini, and Serge Gnabry for Germany. In the purple hobby exclusive. Chat, I'll be honest with you. This might be a really fucking hot box. These might be hot, chat. These might be disgusting. Like, utterly filthy. And we can help grade if people need it. Garib, Frela, and Bennett. 1, 2, 3, 5 packs to go with... Well, we haven't had an auto yet, but we've had a redemption. I believe a redemption, Ronaldo is potential? Potential in a redemption? Is that correct? Coutinho, Bellingham, Ugbo, Paredes, Vasquez, Raum, Kaminsky, and Virgil van Dijk in the Silver Prizm. I think Ronaldo autos alive, so I don't think that's correct. Maybe he has some redemptions, but there are definitely, I've definitely seen at least a couple of redemptions. I don't know. Little connections. Koulibaly, Adams, and Akanji. I won't open another pack until the others are back from their ads. Alright. Chat, we'll wait until everyone's back. We shall wait, chat. We shall wait. Waiting on those ads. Tinky. Tinky has gifted a sub to Becca. Wolf King is in the building. Welcome, Wolf King. Welcome. DDC's in the house. Chat, is everyone back from the ants? Oh, it's a red flood. Oh, so Ronnie's not live. Damn, you got me excited. Alright. We'll hold the redemption to the end. We'll wait, chat. We'll wait on the ads. We'll wait on the ads. We'll wait for the homies to come back from the ads. Chat, how long was that draft? 23 minutes? That was a pretty good draft from you guys. Yes, Northbound. Facts. Alright, we back? I'm waiting for Cool Cat. I can see. Okay, Cool Cat's back. Let's go. I waited, Cool Cat. I waited. Pasalak, Hazard, Blata, Izatola, Mendez, Kim, Hyper Prizm for Joel Campbell. Portugal, Orzabayal, Vina, Bono, and Ramsey. Is that the same Joel Campbell? It's not. The landmarks are amazing. I've seen most cases have 2 case hits. Chat, I have seen most cases have 2 case hits, if that's correct. Which is nice. My dad's case got the 1-1 Ronaldo. Chat, we got some red, and it definitely looks like an auto. No, that looks like a manga. Nah, is that a fucking manga? No. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on, is that a manga? Do we get a chat? Chat, is that a manga and a potential dual case hit? Chat, this could be a dual case hit, 2 boxes. That could be a potential. Chat, we could have a potential double up situation. Chat, this could be chat, you might not see anything in your life here. Alright, chat, this could be as good as it gets. Alright, it might be. That looks like a manga to me, though. Hoiberg, Neymar, Pickford, Laren, Minamino, Sheeb, Corona into Jeremy Pino in the Silver Prizm. We haven't got our stock for our personal boxes. They'll come from likely another case. What's the most number of packs you've had to put aside for later? We're getting there now. This is probably the most. Calvo, Sa, and Weyer. Manga is 1 per case. Is it 1 per 12? No, I don't think that's correct. Got a purple coming up. Martinez, Brozovic, Courtois, Saliba, Buxa, Taremi, and Saka. Nice one for England. Saka at 199. Bomdiri Saka to 199. Nice. Alright, Alveda, you're going on the back, brother. I'm sorry, but we've seen. There's too much heat, chat. Chat, there's too much heat. There's too much heat. If that's a Son manga, I know someone who wants it. Koble in the new era. Sal, Gavi, Suarez, and Messina. Last pack. So maybe we get an auto in this one? Maybe? Nope. So is there a potential where we have an auto, and a manga or something? Is that what we're doing here? Unless we have like an international ink. Anderson, Mount, Osorio, Ito, Antuna, Kimmich, Kolowski, and we have a Mason Mount cracked ice for England. Wow. Okay. We have chat. It's short print city in these boxes. It is short print city here. I'm gonna fix this wall before it gets a little bit hot here. We have a global reach, Christensen. We have an Amrabat, a Pulisic, and a Musa. Is that a Musa? Was that Musa? Yeah. Right, chat. I'm gonna clean up this wall here because I don't know what's about to happen. Hopefully, though, it's all bangers. Chat, praying these are all bangers. Okay? Fractal, recognize. Chat, I'm shutting the door. Chat. Hey, guys. Hey. Chat. I need you to do me a favor, alright? Everybody, I just need you to do not panic. Alright? I'm hoping they're bangers, man. Chat. I hope they're bangers, guys. For you. Alright? I hope these are good. I'm praying, man. I'm praying. For you guys, I'm hoping. Praying. What was this, chat? Is this a manga, do we say? Say it's a manga or redemption? This is redemption, I think. So we'll go to the redemption, I think, first. Sarmiento Onana. Raheem the Dream Sterling. Song. Majrabi. We're going to go from the back here, guys. We're going to go from the back. Alright. Arujo. Luza. James and Tadic. That is definitely a redemption, chat. That's definitely a redemption. Can confirm. Redemption. Chat, I need a hype song for this, man. I need something like tune. Silver at the back. Silver Senegal logo. We're gonna go from the back. Upside down. It is Serginho Dest. The 299. Jorginho Dest at 299 for the United States of America. Pepe and Dest. Are we ready, chat? No spoilers. Which way? The other way. Soccer. 2022 Panini UEFA World Cup Qatar. Signatures. Number 87, Sergi Roberto. Sergi Roberto, that'll be for Spain. Who had Spain? That'll be Drunken. Gets himself a little Sergi Roberto redemption. Chuck that on the website. Lock that one in. Alright, lock that one in. A little Barca love for Drunken. He loves that. Barca loves that shit. We love that. GG's Drunken. Alright. Chat, what do you take first? We do the one... Oh. Chat, we'll do the one at the front. Alright, we're going to do the one at the front, okay? We're going to do this one, okay? We're going to hit it from the front. Alright, guys, we're going to hit it from the front. Little redemption action. Mitrovic, Malki, and Kurus. Silva for Brazil. Mateus Cunha. I don't know what it's going to be. I don't know what that other one is, man. Chat, I'm going to be honest. I got no fucking idea. I don't know what this one is either, but we think it's a manga. We think it is. Vinny, Foden, Skiri, Danjuma. That looks like a manga to me. It has to be. I think it has to be, chat. It has to be. 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 It can't be anything else. It can't be anything else. I can't think of what else it could be. From the back. For Iran, red, Jahan Bakhsh. To 399, number 8 of 399. Ladies and gentlemen. Are we ready? It's a manga. That's a manga. 100. 100, chat. 100. 100, 100, 100. For the boys, good luck. For the United States of America, Ricardo Pepe. For the United States, Marco Spain. Boom. Ricardo Pepe. For Monk. In the manga. Jeez, they're beautiful cards, aren't they? Wow. Definite case hit on that one. I'm gonna put it into a top loader purely just because I don't know what we're gonna do with it. So I'll chuck it in a top loader for now. Ladies and gentlemen, case hit number 1. Ricardo Pepe. Ricardo Pepe. Case hit. But let's finish it off with hopefully another banger. Chat, let's finish it off with hopefully one more banger. Absolute screamer, I hope, chat. I hope. From the back. Silva for Mexico. Silva logo for Mexico. We're going to go, chat, we're going to go this left-hand song, I think. Alright. Boran Poulsen, Coutinho, and Bellingham. We'll get rid of the front three. It looks like an auto or something, chat. I don't know what it is. It might be an auto there, chat. It might be an auto. We'll see. Might be an auto. No, it's both boxes. Chat, we've done 2 boxes here. Gerda, Ronaldo, Nagatomo, and Sa. 2 boxes. 12 box, 2 packs per box. We'll go from the back, chat. Looks like an auto of some sort. But we have a Iran red to 399. Iran have been big in these 2 boxes too. Iran have been strong in these. Alright, chat, I think it might be an auto here. Might be an auto, I think it is. Pretty sure of it. Good luck, everyone. International Ink. It is Anthony Martial. Oh my God, imagine. Oh my God, imagine. France goes bang though. What a break from France. Wow. France did so well in that break overall. Had some great hits. Almost Mbappe. Almost. Almost. I have flashbacks, to be honest. I have flashbacks. There you go, chat. Ladies and gentlemen, what a 2-boxer. Chat, that was an incredible 2-boxer. Dead set. That's a brilliant 2-boxer, lads. What a 2-box break that is. Wow. Wow. Chat, we'll go through a recap. Chat, time for a recap. I'm just like sweating because it's hot in here. Ladies and gentlemen, 2 boxes complete of World Cup Prizm. We'll hit it from the back. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. We hit it from the back, and then we go on to the front because we hit some nice ones, chat. We did hit some nice ones. We had the cracked ices as well, yeah. Fuck, there was some chat, there was some juices. Yeah, we had some juices in here, man. You guys went hard. Alvetti to 49. Serginho Dest, United States to 99. Gareth Bale to 75. Kimpembe in the purple. Gnabry in the purple. Or pink. Cancelo to 299. Jahan to 399. Baran Vand to 399. Mason Mount cracked ice, short print. Saka to 199. Pepe to 99. Ricardo Pepe to 99. Martial auto. Walker Hyper Prizm. Vinny Jr. Silver Prizm. Mbappe Hyper Prizm. And one of the 2 Case hits on average. Ricardo Pepi Manga. Straight out of the case. We love that. Mbappe would have been scenes, but wow. There you go. Guys, thank you to everyone for the quick fill. There was some nice hits. Oh, we had the Sergio Roberto auto as well, sorry. Sergio Roberto, we actually got our 2 autos this time. How about that, chat?